There's nothing I like as much as garlanding roast peppers with virgin olive oil. Then I sing happily, I talk to the oil, to the fruits of the earth. I love roast peppers, not to roast it, that ruins them, but with the inside easy to get at when you lift off the burned skin. I spread them on the plate in an exciting sequence and garland them with oil and a pinch of salt, and I dunk lots of bread, as the poor people do, in the oil mixed with salt and flavored by the roast peppers. Then I pick up a bit of pepper and a bit of bread between my thumb and my index finger. I raise them avidly, Eucharistically. I stare at them in the air. Sometimes I reach a point of ecstasy, of orgasm. I close my eyes and gulp down the motherfucker.